Hi, this is Alex from Beach Hill Garage. On offer we've got on behalf of a customer of ours this delightful 1968 MGC Roadster, finished in tartan red, sat on very nice chrome wire wheels, looks like a fairly recent set of tyres as well. Car's been sold without warranty as we don't know the car at all. I have to say, drove extremely well on test drive. Probably one of the nicest C engines I've come across. Smooth, responsive, and quite a quick car. Only thing I have noticed, the overdrive is not working currently, which is probably electrical. There is a receipt in the folder for an overdrive unit from way back, so the car I'm pretty sure has overdrive, but as I say, not currently working. As I walk around the car, you can see bodywork presents extremely well. Paintwork is nice and bright and glossy. Really do make a very attractive colour combination, the tartan red with chrome wires. I suspect the car has been restored in the distant past. It's certainly not a quick flash over respray. It seems to have been done to a good standard. Car's black leather with red piping, all in really nice order. Nice little feature on the radio console, looks like it's supplying dealer's plate. It's obviously been well loved and well used. Nice period radio there as well, not sure if that works. Oil pressure's pretty good for a C. All holding ticking over well. Looks like a navy mohair hood. Have put it up and it's all in good shape. Just pop the engine. Car's fitted with a Revertech fan. Two fans actually, which are currently running. It's quite a warm day here today in Beach Hill. Go. Quick look in the boots. Boot is carpeted, nice little short tonneau cover there as well. All in all, as you'd expect. As I say, it's not a car that we know. We tend to only sell cars that we know. But nonetheless, a nice driving example, but sold without warranty. We've not inspected the car thoroughly. So please do make an appointment, come and have a look. But overall, a very nice C. Thanks for watching.